It is always nice to have some gadgets in your kitchen to help you with the little chores required for preparing the dishes. One of the best choice among them is the Immersion blender. An immersion blender is a kitchen blade grinder used to blend ingredients in the container in which they are being prepared. Immersion blenders are also popular when creating healthy vegetable and fruit smoothies. The modern hand blenders can do the job within seconds, which otherwise will take some extra effort and time if done manually. Thus, if you are in search of one, then we can help you to find one of the best in the business. Go through the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. Best for easy cleaning. All-Clad KZ750D. The All-Clad KZ750D42 handheld immersion blender is a versatile tool for blending smoothies, pureeing large batches of soup, making baby food, mixing cake batter, or whipping up homemade mayonnaise or salad dressings in seconds. Also, it provides an easy grip ergonomic handle and simple thumb-activated control buttons for one-handed convenience and a beautiful design. You have to choose between power and turbo settings, with pulse for added control. With its powerful motor and variable speed control dial, the blender takes on small and large batches alike. Plus, its extra long 9 1/4 inch shaft can reach deep into pots, pitchers, or bowls, and its protective stainless steel guard around its stainless steel blade helps prevent splattering. Moreover, the shaft detaches from the handle for easy cleaning in the dishwasher and compact storage. Best for food processing. Breville BSB530XL. The Breville BSB530XL is a multifunction kitchen tool that can slice, chop, grate, puree, or mash. Its adjustable slicing disc has 18 different thickness settings so you can customize the thickness of your slices. The variable mashing leg of this blender lets you select the texture of your mash from fine to coarse. A revolutionary bell-shaped blending base combined with internal ribbing reduces suction for greater control and more efficient blending. You can store stick blender, chopping bowl, and all attachments on the storage base to maximize countertop space. Its trigger switch operation allows the hand to assume a more natural position and provides increased stability and control with a soft touch finish. You can cut through tasks in half the time using the S-blade without over-processing. Another advantage is that the adjustable speed control includes 15 speed settings for precise blending and processing. Best for baby food. Braun MQ523. The Braun MQ523 immersion blender is equipped with the PowerBell Plus technology that includes an extra milling blade and larger cutting zone for even smoother purees. The unique bell-shaped design and the position of the blades inside the bell virtually eliminate splashing, keeping cleanup easy. Its 2 speeds and 350 watts of power allow you to adapt food texture for your baby's age easily. Additionally, this blender comes equipped with a 20-ounce BPA-free plastic blending beaker and a rubber spatula. Other handy extras include a 350 milliliter chopper, silicone freezer container, spatula, and detachable blades and shaft. The easy-click attachments make it a snap to satisfy a growing baby's developing a taste for new flavors and textures. Beyond baby food, one click and you can create soups, sauces, and smoothies. Best cordless. Cuisinart CSB 300. The Cuisinart CSB 300 immersion blender comes with an electric knife attachment that lets users effortlessly carve a roast or slice a loaf of bread, a 3-cup chopper for nuts, cheese, and garlic, and a chef's whisk for meringue and whipped cream. With a 9.5-inch slim shaft, you can easily reach the bottom of any pot or pitcher, or whisk up a party-sized portion of whipped cream in no time at all. The 2-cup chopper for nuts, cheese, and garlic or herbs will revolutionize your meal prep, giving you more time with your family or guests. At the same time, the electric knife attachment lets you carve meats or slice crusty bread and even tomatoes with ease right at the table, thanks to the cordless capability for 20 minutes of runtime on a single charge. Best budget: KitchenAid KHB1231. The KitchenAid KHB1231ER 2-speed hand blender comes equipped with a 3-cup BPA-free jar and lid and a DC motor that blends, purees, and crushes quietly and powerfully. With 2 speeds, this hand blender quietly and powerfully blends, purees, and crushes a variety of foods. Its 8-inch removable stainless steel shaft with the bell is dishwasher safe and can be used in shallow or deep pots and pitchers. The ability to disassemble makes it convenient for storing in small spaces and toting along to a social gathering to make crowd-pleasing frozen drinks. Also, its soft grip handle offers a non-slip and comfortable grip when continuously blending ingredients. Plus, it comes with an S-blade, which is ideal for blending. The multi-purpose blade crushes ice, and the frother beater blade froths milk. Best for smoothies: Koios OxySmart. The Koios OxySmart Immersion hand blender offers a 360-degree seamless connection, attaches with the press of a button, and is more secure than a conventional rotary connection, keeping everything together at any speed and any angle. The stainless blade is partially covered by a bell-shaped stainless housing that keeps splashing to a minimum to keep you and your kitchen spotless. The whisk attachment provides even faster whipping of egg whites and creams. It also comes with a 600 milliliter mixing beaker, BPA-free for added convenience. The ergonomic and soft grip handle means this blender can be used by anyone, especially those with dexterity problems. It uses 12-speed plus 800 wattage all-copper motor with variable speed control with pulse and continuous mode. Best overall: Cuisinart CSB179. The Cuisinart CSB179 Immersion Blender is equipped with a 300-watt DC motor that delivers maximum power with minimum noise, and the Smart Stick variable speed hand blender switches from low to high speeds at the turn of a dial. Its long stainless steel shaft reaches deep to blend in bowls, pots, and pitchers. At the same time, the mixing measuring cup, chopper grinder, and chef's whisk make short work of a variety of food prep tasks. From pureeing soups to emulsifying mayonnaise to whipping meringues, this hand blender consistently delivers chef-caliber results. Thanks for watching, and I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to check the description down below to pick out the best immersion blenders available in the market.